Get your shoulders in. That's good. And let it go. Let go.
Oh my god, I think this is it.
So guys, I think you understood a little bit. Let me walk you through. I'm going to pick up my good friends Daniel and Titus now, and we're gonna do some breathing technique from Wim Hof, and afterwards we're gonna do a nice beautiful cold bath in a nice beautiful cold winter day here in Norway. So stay tuned, I will explain you in a second.
Been just jumping in exactly to kind of break the barrier initially, but
now we're gonna
that's
walk,
not a trick.
walk slowly.
Yeah. All right.
He's our master, Titus.
Oh, you're taking towels?
Daniel, are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Here we go then, guys. As I said before in the car, it's time to give you a little bit more explanation of what we did before going into the water. Together with Titus, we started with a nice breathing technique. Inspirations is coming from Wim Hof. You can Google him. Wim Hof technique is pretty famous now. And that was a session that took us about 15 to 20 minutes. We basically took lots of oxygen inside of our body, more than we actually do. And we did it for 3 times, and it's a pretty hardcore beautiful techniques that I really recommend you to do every day at home, but make sure that you understand how to do it, because it can be dangerous. Especially don't do it into the water. It can be really dangerous. After that, we did some push-ups, and after another 10 minutes of meditations, we were ready to go.
Unfortunately, we can't just go straight in the water. We have to walk out a bit.
Yeah.
And then we'll go to sort of this step, so we can kneel down up to our necks.
So we walk our balls underwater.
Oh yeah, you hear a couple of clanging sounds.
You will hear
water
cranking
gets about
sounds from
here.
me, my god. I think I might have to
But what we'll do is do a couple of relaxing breaths, yeah? And then take a breath in, and then when you sink down into the water, to here, I want you to do it on a long out breath, like try and control. What your diaphragm's going to want to do is like go into spasm, you go like this. And when you try and avoid that, just on the way to avoid that is a long out breath. And your shoulders are going to want to do this. Try and do it with the feeling of like letting go. Not trying too hard, just letting go. Let's see if you do that. Let's see if you can do that.
Yeah, cool.
Vamos.
Vamos. Vámonos.
Por favor.
All right.
What a beautiful day for a bath.
Don't slip it like that. Yeah, watch out.
Slow it down. Let go and relax.
Okay. I think this is it for me.
Well, get your shoulders in. That's good. And let it go. Let go.
Oh my god, I think this is it. Okay. For the first time. Is that okay?
Yeah, we don't let people do more than 2 minutes the first time. So this is 10 more seconds. Relax. Let go. Let go.
Oh my god.
Take it out! Come on! Yeah! Okay. And what's important now is to carry on relaxing. Slow your heart down. It's literally and figuratively cool. Okay, what are we going to do now? We're going to do some horse stance. Okay, so wide stance. Now, all your energy's up here. Push it down. Wider start. Wide stance like this. Okay. Do the breathing. Push that breath down into your base chakra, down by your ass. Feel a bit better?
Yeah, my feet are all fucked up.
We're feeling good, yeah?
Yeah.
Feeling alive, feeling great, feeling awesome. That's good, it's good. Now, if you're really hardcore, you do a double dip,
Yeah.
but I'd leave that for now.
We can do it again in a couple of days, I'm down. Really good.
Relax, shoulders
Tingling in my fingers. My feet are frozen. I feel it in my toes. But the snow is not that cold now, so that's good.
Be careful now to get up.
Yeah, you have to be really careful.
It's pretty slippery.
It's iced, so we could also walk a little bit over. I can feel my toes. Okay, I'm good.
I can feel them for you. There you go.
Come on, come on, I got this.
Snow angels.
Fuck it on.
Well, I don't know.
So guys, here we are. I had so much fun doing this cold bath and breathing technique together with my good friends Titus and Daniel. It's been super fun. I wish you to do the same and to give it a try. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you like it, if you want to see more content, and I see you to the next video.
You look fresh.
See you, man.